la 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 la. To your massage. Tonight I'm gonna feel alive, and no one won't be acting nice.
Hey gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. I love my energy today. I have this energy that is boosting me because I want to install this week from Lwigs, guys. Those flashy colors, I'm in for them. The wig I'm going to install today is a color I've never installed before. Gorgeous, you're welcome. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate. So the wig I'll be installing today is from Lwigs. Lwigs, I've worked with them so many times, and normally they put their wigs in a box. So this one came like that. There was no box. I don't know what happened. I don't know if it is the shipping company that removed the wig from the box. Let me show you guys the box, how their box looks like. Normally Lwigs, this is how they package your wig in a box like this. This one is gold wig that I've reviewed before. I'm so surprised that this wig came just in a bag like this. See, it came in a bag like this from FedEx. You see? When I saw it, I was surprised. I said, this is unusual of Lwigs. Could it be it's Lwigs that did this, or FedEx, they just removed the wig from the carton and they had to put it on a plastic bag? I don't know. I don't really know. There's always a card in their wig, okay? And also, they added a headband to it. That was all that came with the wig. See the color. How many inches is this? It's bob. And this color, guys, you see my lips? I've seen the wig before. That is why I applied this big color. So if you see, this is like, how will I, what was this color? Is it pink? Dark pink. It's not red. Okay, this I'm wearing is red. You can see it. It's pink. This is the first time I will install a pink wig. I've never installed any wig of this color before. I really love this wig. It's kind of bob, but they kind of flip the edges, you see. Look at the inside. See part. You see this? It's not straight. Okay? And inside, it came with detachable adjustable strap. Also, there is inbuilt adjustable strap. There's a comb at the back, at the middle, then in front of it. You can see. I like this because if you don't want to glue your wig down, with the help of this detachable adjustable strap, it will secure very well, firmly to your head. And also with this adjustable and also with this inbuilt adjustable strap. I like that. And with the help of these combs, this wig, I don't think I'm going to glue it down. I want to use some trick, okay? I really like the color of the wig, you see, and the way they flip all these coils, okay? So let me try it on for you guys to see. I will try not to glue this wig down. You guys know these days I try not to glue my wigs down. So if you're here for the first time, I review wigs, okay, but I'm not a hairstylist. I try to install my wigs very, very fast, in a fast way and beautiful way, okay? I don't like wasting time while installing my wigs. Sometimes I would like to glue it down, sometimes I don't glue that. Why I don't do that? Because I don't wear wigs to sleep, okay? I always remove my wigs. Maybe when I go out, when I'm in the evening, I will just remove my wig. But if you want to carry this hair for like weeks, you can glue it down. Or even if you want to carry it for weeks, you can still not glue it down. You wear it every day, okay? So that is it. The lace of the wig is brown. I don't know. Okay, you can see it. I don't know if the camera is catching the color. You see it's brown. So guys, this is it on. You see this? Ah, I like the coils here, the way they just put all these coils. So you see this, guys. I'm going to cut the excess lace from it. So you can twist the hairline. If you want to twist this, you can twist it the more. But since I'm going to drop the hair, I'm not going to leave baby hair. I don't want to twist that. I wish I would leave baby hair. I would have just twist the hairline again. So let's cut the lace from it.
I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder.
Okay, so this is what we got.
Love a little louder. Love out loud. Love.
I'll add oil because the hair is so dry. So dry. Why is it dry like this?
Loud. Don't want
So when you order this hair, just know that the hair is dry. So you need to oil it. You need to oil it, but I just use one stick.
I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little.
Look at this. Wow. This is fantastic. Okay, let me hold this down and hold this side down. And cut the lace. I'm going to take a bronzing powder and use it to open my part. So guys, that is it for this video. I'm going to leave the link on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out, and I'll check also if there's any discount code. I will leave it also on the description box, so don't hesitate to check the description box in case if you are interested. So that is it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Gorgeous, please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit on that subscribe button and that bell icon. And if you like this hair review, why not support your girl by clicking on that like button. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. Ciao.
Tonight